Hi, Rose Perrone here. I just wanted to take some time to give you our story about our rapid restore roofing project that we recently had done. We had prayed for a really long time about a purchase of our home, and when we finally got our dream home, we were super excited to settle in. Little to find out that we needed a new roof and certain other things that needed to be done in the house. So we thought we had time. We were gonna just settle in. No, the roof started leaking. And so we quickly had to address that situation, and we were getting estimates, and we were just getting different companies to come in and tell us about what needed to be done with the roof. So we wanted to take our time because we knew that the roof was most important to keep everything inside safe. I was just trying to make a decision based on all these estimates and all the information that we were given. And I was talking to my friend at church, and he reminded me of our mutual friend, Jacob, who does roofing. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's right, I have to reach out to him. And so he told me about rapid restore and restoration, and it was life-changing. Of all the estimates that we got, Rapid Restore was the only company that was so thorough. We had Jacob who would come in to do the estimating. He was just phenomenal. He was thorough. He actually took out the building materials and presented them to us and what they did and how they worked and the process that would take place, the removal of the old shingles. And he even was telling us that we have tongue and groove, which is the best kind of wood to have on your roof. So we were learning all about our house at the same time. And it kind of gave us this new perspective of roofing in general and how to take care of our home better, and how it would last for 50 years. It has a 50-year warranty. And the company that's used Owens & Corning, it's made in the US, which is another plus that we really like about this company. And all of the materials are disposed of in a safe practice that's eco-friendly. That was another plus for us. From that whole experience, we felt safe that this was a good option to go with. We had not experienced that with any other roofing company that had come in to give us an estimate. He got up on the roof. He came twice to do measurements to make sure that it was completely thorough and right and smooth for the day of installation. Jacob was also telling us that we only have one side of softening, which I learned what softening was, and that's to help the airflow, and how roof shingles, they hold on to a lot of moisture, and how you need a lot of airflow. So he was telling us and recommended that we put venting on the top. No other company had told us about the venting, or had gotten up on the roof for that matter, or took the time to come back twice to do thorough measurements. And so that really impressed us. So I just learned all these different terms. I learned all about roofing, and he educated us. So we really liked that whole way of presenting the information to us in an easy to understand, simplistic way. And he also was showing us that not only the building materials, but all these reviews, there's a list, pages long, of reviews from other customers that you can actually call them up and go and visit their property to see their roofing project. That is something that I've never heard of before, and I was really impressed by that. And actually one of our friends was on the list. So we were able to contact our friend and hear their reviews of rapid restore and restoration, and they only had great things to say. So that also, having that was helping us to solidify our option to go with this company. That was just the estimate. And then the scheduling and the 0% financing for 1 year and the transferable warranty. All of these things were not offered by any other company, and this is what sets them apart from any other company on Long Island. I mean, roofs are very expensive, and Micah, who's one of the owners, had explained to me that it used to be $5,000 to do a roof. Unfortunately now it's a lot more. It's an investment. So you have to look at it in that way. It's an investment for your property and to increase the property value. I think that it's phenomenal to have that option, 0% financing for 1 whole year if you don't have, the money right up front to pay. So We had scheduled the roofing project to be done the day before Thanksgiving, and Micah himself had come to oversee the project. They provided up to the moment pictures of each building material being placed and the cleanup. They put tarps and covered everything. We have 2 small children, so you can imagine how important that is to us to have not any debris on the property. It's been about 2 weeks and we've not found one piece of material left behind. So from start to finish, it's been seamless, thorough, and we did the gutters as well. They were saying that our home is very long. This was the longest gutter that they ever placed, and I thought that was kind of cool that they took a video just to show us that. All of these different attributes and assets make this company set apart from other companies. We highly recommend them. We're so satisfied and happy with this work that they've done. We had been in the home for several months and getting these estimates, and all of a sudden it was like done so quickly, and we will have our roof for 50 years and then some. So we want to say thank you so much for making our home safe, and we want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.